Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, I'm going to show you one of the new updated features regarding to the Visa tool. And this is really useful. So first of all, the Visa tool has been updated in the new version of version 1.2.1. And with the Visa now, we are starting to implement what we call the transit visas. So let me show you exactly what we have here. So let's go to Tools. And in Tools, we just have to scroll down here, and you can see there's some small bug in here right now with many letters S. I don't know exactly what's going on. However, this is being fixed. And if we just scroll down here, you can see now the visas have a new tool, or there's some new things related to it. And that is, of course, let me show you here. You can see here we have tourist visa, we have cruise visa, and we're going to implement information related to transit visa. Very, very useful and very, very important. So why is this important? Because a transit visa, so what is a transit visa? A transit visa is a visa that you are required if you're going to a different, for example, you have a stopover in a country, but you have also but you're flying over to another country. So that means at that stopover, some countries, depending on the country you're heading, requires you to have a transit visa for the stopover also. So even if it's a 2-hour or 4-hour stopover, you are required to have a transit visa. And this information is very useful if you have customers who are flying multiple destinations or have a stopover or a layover in a different country. So that can impact, of course, your package or your flight ticket, and your customer might consider not to buy your ticket because it's more harder because of the extra visa they need to require. So that is basically it. And you can see now, instead of using text, we're starting to use icons to indicate if there's any visa information available. Red means a tourist visa or any kind of visa here is required. Green equals that the item is visa free, or the country you're traveling is visa free, and gray indicates that there's no information. That can happen sometimes. Not every country have all the information, and not every country has transit visas or a cruise visa. That's why not all the information is available, but whatever we can find, we're implementing it here. It will save you more and more time and help your customers even better. So if you're interested in CouponBet, sign up right away. Go to couponbet.com and register right away, and you have instant access to our website.